Carrot juice is a drink that has many amazing benefits. Many people don't realize this, but carrot juice is rich in vitamins and minerals. It also helps to keep your skin from getting dry and wrinkled. In fact, carrot juice may be able to cure cancer. Are you interested yet? If so, see full video for 5 surprising benefits of drinking carrot juice. 5 surprising benefits of drinking carrot juice. 1. Carrot juice fights cancer. A study at the Karolinska Institutet in Stockholm, Sweden found that carrot juice had a significant effect on cancer treatment. It was shown to be more effective against breast and prostate cancers than chemotherapy or hormone therapy alone. The carrot juice lowered tumor growth by up to 50%. 2. Carrot juice is a great source of vitamins and minerals. Carrots are rich in vitamins like A, B, C, D, E and K. They also contain minerals such as calcium, essential for healthy teeth and bones. Magnesium helps regulate heart rate. Potassium aids muscle contraction. Selenium, a natural antioxidant that promotes skin elasticity. 3. Carrot juice lowers your risk of heart disease. Carrots can help lower your risk of heart disease because they are high in potassium, which is good for regulating blood pressure. Carrots also promote a healthy cardiovascular system by preventing the buildup of arterial plaque and lowering bad cholesterol levels. 4. Carrot juice is great for your skin. Carrots have a natural ability to keep your skin looking young and fresh. They can even provide some protection against the sun's rays. The carrot juice also contains beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. This helps you avoid diseases like night blindness, dry eyes and macular degeneration. 5. Carrot juice may prevent cataracts. Cataract, a condition that affects vision and can lead to blindness, is primarily caused by aging. However, carrot juice may also help prevent this condition because of their high beta-carotene content. Carrot juice has some amazing benefits for your health. If you have never tried it before, why not give carrot juice a go? If you have any questions about the benefits of carrot juice or how to drink carrot juice, please get in touch with us.